My name is Hsuanlei Shao, and I am an associate professor in the Department of East Asian Studies at National Taiwan Normal University. I am also the director of the Center of China Studies at the university. I am thrilled to be here at the Tools of the Trade Conference at Harvard University, and I am excited to engage with fellow scholars and professionals in the field. My research focuses on various aspects of East Asian studies, with a particular emphasis on Chinese culture and history. I have also worked extensively on cross-cultural communication and language acquisition, which has been a major focus of my work at the Center of China Studies. I look forward to sharing my insights and learning from others at this conference. And I am excited to explore new tools and techniques that can help us better understand and communicate across different cultures and disciplines. Thank you for having me, and I look forward to our discussions and collaborations. My name I would like to provide more information about myself and my research background. If you scan the orchid.org QR code associated with my presentation, you will be able to access my full academic profile and publications. In terms of my research specializations, I am an expert in text mining and natural language processing, NLP, on Chinese text. My work in this field has involved developing innovative algorithms and tools to analyze large volumes of text data, with a particular focus on understanding the social and political dynamics in Chinese society. In addition, I spent 1 year conducting research at Hokkaido University and Tokyo University, where I had the opportunity to collaborate with leading scholars in the field of computational social science. My experience in Japan provided me with a deep understanding of the cultural and linguistic nuances of East Asian societies and helped me to develop a more holistic perspective on the issues I study. As a programmable computational social scientist, I am committed to leveraging cutting-edge computational tools and techniques to tackle complex social and political problems. I believe that by combining the power of technology with deep cultural knowledge and interdisciplinary collaboration, we can make significant progress in understanding and addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing our world today. To provide more detail about my research techniques and interdisciplinary fields of study, in terms of my technical expertise, I specialize in text mining, machine learning, ML, artificial intelligence, AI, and data science, DS. These techniques enable me to analyze large volumes of data and extract meaningful insights, particularly in the context of social and political dynamics in East Asian societies. My research spans across 3 main interdisciplinary fields. The first is China Studies, where I have applied machine learning techniques and text mining to analyze Xi Jinping's grand external propaganda strategy. By analyzing large volumes of propaganda texts, I have been able to identify patterns and themes that shed light on China's foreign policy, priorities and strategies. The second field is legal analytics, where I have developed natural language processing, NLP, and text mining tools to classify child custody cases and predict outcomes. This research has important implications for the justice system, as it can help to identify patterns and factors that affect custody decisions and ultimately improve outcomes for families. The third field is digital humanities, where I have conducted a case study of the Japanese Toyo Bunko archives, exploring how digital technologies can enhance our understanding of cultural heritage. By applying NLP and text mining techniques to digitized archives, I have been able to uncover new insights and connections between historical documents, providing a more complete picture of Japanese history and culture. Overall, my research is deeply interdisciplinary, combining expertise in computer science, social science, and humanities. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies and interdisciplinary approaches, I believe that we can gain new insights and make meaningful contributions to our understanding of complex social and political issues. Thank you for your attention to my presentation. If you are interested in learning more about my research and the tools and techniques I have developed, I would like to invite you to view my demo video and explore my hands-on demonstrations. You can find the links to these resources in person or through the conference website. The hands-on part of this research involves using a database knowledge graph of major politicians in China, which includes metadata such as their experience, position, and workplace. The goal is to allow readers to explore the relationships between various people and organizations. In the Chinese political landscape, there are 3 different tools available for readers to use in their exploration. A. The RELFinder, Organization and Leader Network Diagram, provides a visualization of the relationships between different entities, person, organization, location. In China, by clicking on a specific node in the diagram, readers can access more detailed information about that entity. B. The Graph Explorer, Organizational Network Graph, allows readers to explore the network of relationships surrounding a single entity, person, organization, location. By selecting a specific node in the graph, readers can see the other nodes that are connected to it and explore those connections. C. The Graph Navigator, Leader Network Diagram, focuses specifically on the relationships between 2 leaders, including related organizations or people. Readers can adjust the max depth setting to control the extension range between the 2 nodes, and expand the extension nodes to see more information about the relationships. Overall, the goal of the hands-on part of this research is to allow readers to explore the Chinese political landscape and gain a better understanding of the relationships between different people and organizations. By querying factions, geographical relations, and other information from the knowledge graph, readers can gain valuable insights into Chinese politics. Sure, I'd be happy to explain what a knowledge graph is and how it applies to our research. A knowledge graph is a type of database that captures information about entities, such as people, places, and organizations, and the relationships between them. Unlike traditional databases, which typically store information in tables, knowledge graphs use a graph structure to represent the data, with nodes representing entities and edges representing relationships. In our case, the knowledge graph we have developed captures information about Chinese elites, their affiliations with institutions, and their connections to specific locations. The nodes in our graph correspond to 3 types of entities. 1. The names of Chinese elites. 2. Specific locations, such as cities or provinces. And 3. Institutions, such as universities, government agencies, or corporations. The edges in our graph represent the relationships between these entities. For example, an edge might connect a Chinese elite to a specific location if they were born or raised there, or to an institution if they studied or worked there. Similarly, edges might connect institutions to specific locations if they are located in the same geographic area or have a shared history. By representing this information in a graph structure, we can gain new insights into the social and political dynamics of Chinese society. For example, we might be able to identify clusters of elites who are connected by common affiliations with specific institutions or who share a common geographic background. We can also use machine learning algorithms to analyze the graph and identify patterns and trends that would be difficult to detect using traditional methods. Overall, the knowledge graph is a powerful tool for capturing and visualizing complex relationships between entities, and has many applications in social and political analysis. Our lab focuses on 3 main areas: legal analytics, knowledge graphs, and text mining and NLP. In the area of legal analytics, we use machine learning and natural language processing techniques to analyze legal judgments and predict court outcomes. By analyzing large amounts of data, we are able to identify patterns and trends that can help us understand the factors that influence court decisions. Our goal is to develop models that can be used to predict court outcomes with a high degree of accuracy, which could have important implications for the legal system. In the area of knowledge graphs, we develop databases that capture information about social and political relationships. Our current focus is on developing a knowledge graph of Chinese elites, which captures information about their affiliations with institutions and their connections to specific locations. By analyzing this data, we hope to gain new insights into the social and political dynamics of Chinese society. Finally, in the area of text mining and NLP, we use machine learning and natural language processing techniques to analyze social media data from platforms like Facebook and Weibo. By analyzing the text of social media posts, we can identify patterns and trends in public opinion and sentiment. which can be used to inform policy decisions and understand the dynamics of social and political movements. Overall, our lab is focused on using cutting-edge techniques from computer science and data analytics to gain new insights into the social and political world. We believe that our work has important implications for understanding and addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing society today. Absolutely. We welcome collaboration and joint research efforts with other academics and researchers who share our interests in legal analytics, knowledge graphs, and text mining and NLP. We believe that our work has the potential to contribute to both the social and academic foundations of these fields, and we are open to exploring. Thank you for listening to my speech about our lab's work in legal analytics, knowledge graphs, and text mining and NLP. We believe that our work has the potential to contribute to a better understanding of the social and political world, and we are committed to advancing these fields through rigorous research and collaboration. If you have any questions or are interested in learning more about our work, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We look forward to the opportunity to engage with others who share our interests and passion for data-driven research. Thank you again for your attention.